Hello everyone and good night. So finally, na-fix ko na yung lavalier microphone ko. So it's such like amazing because you can buy this one in a cheap price or amount. This one sponsored by my Kuya Pets Pasco, one of our generous friend and my brother here in our company in Papua New Guinea. So Kuya is one of my very close friend rather. Ayun, ang dami namin napagdaanan yan. So, ups and downs, mga ganyan, kulitan, at kung ano-ano pa. So, ayun, thank you so much, Kuya, for sponsor this level. Wait lang, iipit lang natin. Mapakita natin yung box. So, ito yun. So, thank you, Kuya. So, later siguro mag-isip ako ng mga content. Siguro mag-start na ako ng mga mini vlog or different kind of topics and yun yung chikahan para at least, di ba, hindi ako maboring dito. Siguro, ito na yung start. Uh, Except dun sa pagkasayaw ko, pag-emote-emote ko sa TikTok and all. So, I think, so abangan natin yun. At abangan nyo yun, guys. So, ayun lang for tonight. It's about 12:18 na in the midnight here in Papua New Guinea. So, maybe I need to rest. And then, tomorrow I will do a content for you guys. So I hope you will support me. Ayun. God bless everyone and good night. I love you all.